Okay, so here we are driving down Highway 544 in Conway Myrtle Beach area. As you can see, I've got the old bass boat in tow behind because I can't get it to crank. I can get it to turn over. I can get it, run the battery down, charge the battery back up. Everything else seems to be working fairly well. But I found a local marina that deals a lot with bass boats, specifically Ranger bass boats. So I'm going to take it to them. And they said it's an older motor. As long as it's turning over, they're going to try to get it started for me. So let's hope we don't have to buy a new motor. Fingers crossed, praying all the time. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings, because he blesses me greatly. So anyway, just an update on the Ranger bass boat. I know turkey season is coming along. I'll let you guys ride down the road with me. Turkey season is coming along. Maybe we will have some hunting adventures coming up starting March 23rd. Plan to do a little turkey hunting this year. And yeah, I'll keep you posted on the bass boat. So please like, subscribe, comment. We'll catch you on the flip side, guys. Alright, so here we are. I am at J&K Outdoors. This on Highway 501 in Conway, South Carolina. I want to give a shout out to these guys. Most people don't want to work on an older boat like what I have, but these guys are willing to help me out, so I want to help them out. You can see the big Ranger bass boat sign right there. They are more than willing to help me get my boat fixed up and ready to go. So shout out to J&K Outdoors, Conway, South Carolina. You guys check them out. It's pretty awesome. Now I got to get in traffic. We'll catch you guys later.